Hello, hello, Muntinlupa!
Hello, good evening, everyone.
Good evening, everyone. Kumusta po kayo? Handa na po ba kayong malaman kung sino magiging Binibining Muntinlupa 2008?
Wow, everyone's excited for tonight. Don't you think so, Arnel?
Maraming salamat po. Ako po ang inyong host, Arnel Carrion. Kasama ko po, maligaya po ako kasi kasama ko ang aking magandang co-host, Miss Katrina Riguez. Palakpakan po natin.
Thank you, Arnel, for that very heartwarming introduction.
Actually, Katrina, medyo suki na ako dito sa Muntinlupa. I've been hosting for Muntinlupa for several events now. And I'm so happy to be back. It's actually one of the first pageants that I'm actually going to be hosting.
Oh, really?
And to be partnered with you. To be totally honest, I didn't know that I was going to have a co-host.
Actually, me
I thought
too.
I thought I was gonna do this alone. But then, buti na lang, meron po akong co-host kasi mako-conscious ako sa mga beauties na nasa likuran ko pag ako lang yung nandito sa stage. Di
Oh,
ba?
yeah. Oh.
But you also are into pageants yourself, right? Why don't you
yes.
tell the people more about it?
Oh, yes, I was actually Miss Philippines Earth Water 2006. But that was 2 years ago. So.
2006.
Yes.
Miss Earth,
Miss Philippines Earth Water.
Earth, Water.
Yes.
So, what are your
My duties?
your duties as Earth and Water?
Of course, it will be inclined in helping the environment and saving Mother Earth. Oh my God, I don't know why I'm
That was
discussing this with you.
rehearsed, by the way. I wonder ano kaya yung mga duties ng mga Binibining Muntinlupa, no?
Ay,
What would
syem-
they have to do kaya?
Oh, syempre, they will be, of course, promoting tourism here in Muntinlupa. I guess that would be the main purpose of Binibining Muntinlupa 2008.
That's true. You know what? Every time I say that, I feel like saying Binibining Pilipinas. Pero Binibining Muntinlupa 2008. And I wasn't surprised na magaganda yung babae dito sa Muntinlupa.
Of course.
Kasi nga, like I said earlier, I've been hosting for several times na in Muntinlupa. And so far, yung mga nakikilala ko, magaganda sila eh. Kilala mo si Glenda. Glenda is from the office of Congressman Biazon.
Oh, yes.
Maganda yon, diba?
True.
Kilala mo si Glenn.
Oh, yun. Oo, of
Si
course.
Glenn
Of
from
course
the
I know
mayor's
Glenn.
office.
Oh,
Maganda
of course.
din yon.
Maganda.
Magandang maganda. Kaya I wasn't surprised na magaganda babae dito sa Muntinlupa.
And yes, Muntinlupa is a very beautiful city. So, of course, nobody will be surprised if they're fully packed with beautiful women.
Hindi lang yung city. City Hall pa lang.
Yeah,
Tignan mo
I've
naman yung
noticed.
beauty niyan.
It's my first time to be here po in Muntinlupa City Hall and hats off po ako sa aming architect ng Muntinlupa City Hall, which is actually one of the judge later on.
All right. So, without further ado, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Binibining Muntinlupa 2008. Palakpakan po natin ang ating mga candidates. Alright, without further ado, ladies and gentlemen, syempre, paano po natin malalaman kung sino po ang mananalo tonight ng Binibining Muntinlupa? We have, of course, with us, our distinguished judges who will decide. So, kung meron na po kayong mga candidates, yung mga pambato ninyo from different barangays, as a matter of fact, we have different barangays from Muntinlupa, di ba?
Yes.
And we're gonna announce that later on. We're gonna do a roll call later on
Of
in
course,
the
we
evening,
will.
right?
Yes.
Pero if you have your candidates from the different barangays, ito pong mga papakilala po namin, sila po yung mga board of judges. So kung natalo po yung kandidata po ninyo, sila po yung sisihin ninyo. Wag po kami. So without further ado, would you like to do the honors?
Okay, to start it off, our first judge would be the established architect of Muntinlupa City Hall, and his beautiful designs and creations exemplifies his own way. Please welcome, ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Architect Arnie Arquidos. And of course, our next judge would be a basketball player and turns out to be a rampant print ad commercial model as well. Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Dick Anquilio. Our next judge is the secretary of the prestigious Fashion Designers Association of the Philippines, otherwise known as FDAP, mentor and discoverer of beauty queens like Jamie Liz Castillo, Mutiana Pilipinas 2003, Jean Harn, Miss Philippines Earth 2007, and Janine San Miguel, Binibining Pilipinas World 2008. He dresses up celebrities like Ara Mina, Ann Curtis, Cherry Pie Picache, Pauline Luna, and of course, yours truly, Miss Katrina Riggets. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up to Mr. John T. Martinez. Our next judge is Tubong Muntinlupa po at taga Muntinlupa po talaga siya. None other than the news reporter of GMA News and Public Affairs, Mr. Marvin Tumandao.
Yan, gusto ko yan. GMA7. Kapuso din ako eh. Kapuso kami dalawa.
Talaga. And last but not the least, Mutya ng Pilipinas 2004, third runner-up Miss Asia Pacific International 2005. She won Best in Evening Gown Award and of course the press favorite. She's an active ramp model and a member of PMAP or Professional Models Association of the Philippines. Ladies and gentlemen, Miss Jeda C. Hernandez. Wow, look at our distinguished panel of judges.
Very very distinguished nga. At saka mukhang very strict din.
Of course.
Mukhang mataas ang
High ang
standards.
standards niyan.
Very high
Because
standards.
they are achievers themselves.
That's true.
So,
Kaya challenging for our candidates to really prove themselves and stand out and be hailed as Binibining Muntinlupa 2008.
yes. Oh, Arnel, before we continue, we would also like to acknowledge the presence of Councilor Dr. Ami Patdu Labios. Warm round of applause. And of course, Councilor Lake Espelata. Oh, I'm sorry, Islake Espelata.
All right. So, before we continue, ladies and gentlemen, syempre, we welcome po muna kayo ng ating mahal na mayor, si Mayor Aldrin San Pedro. Ngunit wala po siya ngayong gabi, so tawagan po natin ang kanyang napakagandang may bahay, si Mrs. Leia T. San Pedro.
Good evening to everyone. Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. I'm sure very excited po ang lahat dito dahil may kani-kanyang kandidata. To all the girls, good luck and let's enjoy the night. Huwag kayo masyadong nervousin because you enjoy this because this is going to be a very special and very exciting moment and experience for all of you. Para ho sa lahat, mag-enjoy ho tayo. Ipagdasal na lang natin ang kani-kanyang kandidata. Yun hong mga mananalo, congratulations. And of course, para sa hindi na mananalo o hindi suswertihin, hindi ibig sabihin nun this is a loss. Because the mere fact that you're chosen to be one of the candidates, dun sa kani-kanilang mga barangay, ang ibig sabihin lamang ho yun, sila yung mga magaganda at mga the best na maging representative. Good evening to everyone. Let's enjoy the night and good luck again to all the candidates.
Very well said.
Thank you very much, Mrs. Leia San Pedro. Palakpakan po natin